Hi Mark, how you doing? You right? What better way to start from the back, mate, underneath? It looks like it had the, it's got a carbon fibre splitter that's been on it, fiberglass splitter that's been tacked on. Looks like it's had a bit of work in here in the past, but battery box seems fine. Got a bit of a thing there. Looks like it's had a little bit of work there, but I can't see it through on the inner arch. Yeah, it seems quite solid all down here. Might have had a bit of work done. A little patch there. There's the glorious oversill, cover sill. Might have had a bit of a dink here at one point. Seems quite straight across here. Another one of the oversill. Just started to take the underguard off. I don't think he managed to get round to it all. Still a little bit of not too much, but looks like it's had a bit of work done underneath here. Air post's been done. Same again. Everything seems quite straight under here. I think, yeah, that's when you said about a new front clip. So I don't know which era that one's off, mate. So if you could tell us, that'd be great, please. Seem quite solid here. Right, I'll flip it over and get it on its roof, on its bum. Yeah, mate. I think it's had a wing on at some point. That don't quite line up, you see. Something or other, something's not right there, but we'll see. This all seems quite straight, which is really good. Bruce quite bang on. Just a little bit of a crud in there, but it's come up a little bit. But yeah, there's a plate there, mate. Outwards look fine. Looks like it's had where it's joined up with the sill, cover sill. I don't think it's had a floor pan on, mate, because I'm just looking at all this soundproofing. One other plate here. Yep, I'll take them off, mate. But everything seems quite straight. This needs to come off. Your plate down there, mate. And try to take the soundproofing off down here. For some reason, didn't get around to it. That's all good, decent down there. That seems decent enough. Yeah, it seems quite straight. I'm sure if that's had a new one on, new quarter.